had every intention of going into engineering. I was very good in math. I stayed for 3 years and just couldn't do it anymore. It just was not for me. So I changed to my first love, back to teaching, and that's what I've done ever since for 27 years.
Let's go. All right, here we go. See if I can mess with your minds. Are you ready? Go. Yes, correct.
This is the school that I graduated from. I have lived in this community my entire life, except for the time that I was in college. And this is actually the classroom where I had 3 out of 4 of my math classes.
I taught Rhonda when she was a junior in high school in this very same school where she's teaching now. And even then, she was a wonderful, wonderful student. Rhonda was such an intelligent girl. Even back then, she could have taught my class any day of the week.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Put your answer in degrees.
1, 2, 3.
Minutes.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And seconds.
No degree mark indicates what?
All right, you ready? Let's switch it out. Negative 1.6147. Yes. All right, let's go again. Say what you can do. Talk it out with your neighbor. Go.
Radians. Good.
Good. Yes. Good. Better. That's it. Good. Good. Yes. Okay. Yes. Good. So those of you that were getting 0 degrees and something, what were you doing wrong? We got it. Inverse. Remember, it's seconds, 10. Got it. Got it. All right.
I worked with Rhonda over 20 years ago. We've known each other a long time, and when I came here as principal of Boaz, I had an opening for a math teacher, and I knew I wanted her here. Rhonda is a great teacher. She's just absolutely goes above and beyond on anything you want to do. At her previous school, they needed a bus driver for the math team, so Rhonda went and got her license so she could drive the bus. Rhonda tutors kids after school for free. She tutors kids online for free. She offers ACT prep classes for free. She does not charge for any of this stuff. She just does it. She does it for the kids. She's not for herself.
I have Miss Ballentine for pre-calculus. Math is not easy for me, so she stays after school every Tuesday, make sure I understand everything.
She pushes me to do better, and she challenges me every day.
I have Miss Ballentine for Algebra 2 with trigonometry. Sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to understand something, and she doesn't leave my side until I know exactly what's going on.
I was a cheerleader, and I was cheering, and it was during halftime, and I saw her in the stands tutoring a student when I looked up.
I think the kids have a tremendous amount of respect for her. I've had a lot of students tell me that Rhonda is the best teacher they've ever had.
I had Miss Ballentine for 7th grade math, 7th grade science,
physical science,
8th grade math, algebra 1, algebra 2,
biology,
calculus,
pre-algebra,
physics,
algebra 1, Spanish 1, 2, and 3,
Spanish 1 and Spanish 2.
Miss Ballentine was the most caring teacher. She cared about all of her students, no matter where they came from.
Even after I graduated, I would come by to see her after college classes, just go by and talk to her, tell her about how classes were going, talk to her about life in general. She was inspiration and a help.
She was excellent, and still is excellent, at finding what motivates students.
Way before the No Child Left Behind Act, Miss Ballentine was doing just that. She didn't quit until she reached every child.
I did not have the greatest home life growing up. Miss Ballentine was always there for me to lend an ear, to help me out. Miss Ballentine got me through a lot of tough times as a teenager, and I'm forever grateful to her for that.
I'm Jason Adams with the Army Corps of Engineers.
Marty Hatley, Alabama State Department of Education.
Molly Norris, math and science teacher and guidance counselor.
I'm April Pritchett. I'm a math teacher at Abbeville High School.
I'm Cheryl Robertson, and I teach high school math.
These kids are actually my extended family. I mean, I see them at the grocery store. I see them at ball games. They're a part of my life in church, out of church, anywhere I go. I usually see somebody that I've taught, so they're just integrated into my life in every aspect of it. I love them all. You have to love them all.